4, 3, 2, shift your weight to the left. Back to the right, over to the left. Use your arms. Palms together over your head, elbows at chest level. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and turn. 3, 2, 1. Raise your right heel up, left heel up. Twice more, once more and stop. 4, 3, 2 and down low. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and turn round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bend your legs, keep your upper body straight. 1, 2, 3, 4. Use your shoulders. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left and turn. Right, left, right, left, right, left, and at double the pace. 4 more. 3, 2, and rest. 4, 3, 2, hips. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and doubles. Left, right, left, right. 4 more. 3, 2, 1. Single, single, double. 3 more. Double. 2 more. Double. Last one and rest. 4, 3, 2. Start with the left. Tap with the left foot. Back, tap, front, tap, back, tap. Twice more. Last time. And now with the right foot. Front, tap, back, tap. Front, tap, back, tap. Twice more. Last one. And use your arms. Open your arms, close. Give and take. Twice more. Last one. And now right foot. Palms out and back in. Out and back in. Twice more. Last time. And now left foot. Left twice. And change. Right twice. And change. Left twice. And change. Right twice. And rest. 4, 3, 2 and quick knee bends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and shift your weight from side to side. Left side, right side, left side, right side. Another 4, 3, 2 and now with foot raises. Left up, right up. Left, right. Another 4, 3, 2 and now knees high. Lift up with your knee, bend the supporting leg. Another 4, 3, 2 and with your arms. Pull, pull, down. Pull, pull, down. Your right arm is outstretched. The left arm pulls. Pull, pull, hand on hip. Left hand behind your head, right hand on your hip. Pull, pull, push, push. Left elbow to right knee. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 more. 3, 2 and rest. 4, 3, 2. Turn to your right. Push your hips to the left, left, left and turn. Push your hips to the right, right, right and turn. Back foot is flat on the ground. Front foot on your toes. Circle your hips from back to front. And circle to the left, and turn. Circle hips to the right from back to front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now with your arms. Right arm above your head, left arm at chest level. Change left arm up, right arm at chest level. Circle with your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And turn. 4 more. 3, 2, and rest. 4, 3, 2, and knee bends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shift your weight to the left. Left, right, left, right. 4 more. 3, 2, and foot up. Right foot, left foot, right, left. 4 more. 3, 2, and knees. Knees high, bending the supporting leg. Another 4, 3, 2, and now pull with your arms. Pull, pull, rest. Pull, pull, rest. Your left arm is outstretched. Pull with your right arm. Pull, pull. Right arm behind your head, left hand on hips. One last time. And pull, pull, push, push. Right elbow to left knee. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 more. 3, 2, and rest. 4, 3, 2. Left leg up. Left up, right up. Legs bent. 4 more. 3, 2. Arms up. Opposite arm to foot. 4 more. 3, 2, and rest. 4, 3, 2. Left foot. Step and close. Step and close. Step and close. Step and turn. Step back, knees bend and straight. Bend and straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and pelvis. Thrust, thrust, rest. Thrust, thrust, rest. Keep your upper body straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now add the hands. Push, push, down. Push, push, down. Hands at chest level, palms push away from the body. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and double speed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, close, step, close, step, close, step, turn. 4 more. 3, 2, and rest. 4, 3, 2, and to the left. Double step touch. Double step touch. Cha-cha-cha-cha down. Cha-cha-cha-cha arms. Above your head to the left. To the right. Hands in prayer position. Last time and double speed. Left, right, left, right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 more. 3, 2, and stop. 4, 3, 2, arms. Arms to the side, over your head, cross your hands and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Upper body keeps straight, following arms bend up and down at the hips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Fast tiptoe. On the spot, backwards and to the right. 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and stop. 4, 3, 2, left foot forwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and turn. Front foot flat on the ground, back foot up on toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and with arms. From low down, raise your arms up and clap as if scooping up water and pouring it over yourself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Upper body follows move down and back up. Another 4, 3, 2 and rest. 4, 3, 2. Start with the left. Left, right, back, touch. Right, left, back, touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and arms. Left, right, back, touch. Right, left, back, touch. Your hands are picking apples and putting them away. Pick, pick and release. Pick and release. Another 4, 3, 2 and rest. 4, 3, 2 and right foot forward. Left, right, close. Right, left, close. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Double speed. Your hips follow the movement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The hands. One after the other, move hands into lower and then upper prayer positions. Left, right. Left, right. Knees high. Another 4. Another 4. 3, 2 and rest. 4, 3, 2. Wide step to the left. Keep your upper body straight. Bend your legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now the arms. Hands together, elbows up high. Another 4, 3, 2 and rest. 4, 3, 2 and left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and change. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The 4, 3, 2 and rest. 4, 3, 2 and left foot. Left toe, right heel. Toe, heel, toe, heel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and double time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn around. Tap around with your left foot. Right leg stays put. Heel lifts. Rotate your hips from back to front, starting from right to left. Circle with your hands at the wrists. Starting up and then down. Now raise your left arm and keep your right arm down. Another 4, 3, 2, and again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Another 4, 3, 2, and rest. 4, 3, 2, left arm. Your arms flap up and down, one after the other like wings. Hands follow the movement. Use your feet. Slowly walk backwards, lowering your upper body as you move back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Another 4, 3, 2, and again. 4, 3, 2, and left arm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and stop. 4, 3, 2, arms. Raise your arms with the palms facing upwards. Rest your left arm on your head, wide step to the left, and turn your head left. 4, 3, 2, and again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, step, turn head. 4, 3, 2, now with steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left foot flat, right foot on your toes. 4, 3, 2, and again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Another 4, 3, 2, and rest. 4, 3, hop onto your right foot. Hop from one foot to the other. Now stretch the other leg out to the side. Tip the ground with your toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 with arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stroke your legs and face with the palms of your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Another 4, 3, 2, and rest. 4, 3, 2, right foot forwards. Palms open to the sky, hands in prayer position, and slowly descend. Bend your legs and pose.